Hi, it's Luke here at the Good Guys Garage. Today I will be replacing the front and rear pads and the braided brake lines of my Aston Martin V8 Vantage. Up on the ramp. Love my little workshop with my little ramp. Milwaukee gun is a bit foobar. I do need to replace it. It's got stuff in. Must have had new wheel nuts in the past because all of them are good. As mechanics will know, the stupid Ford ones with the steel nuts with the stainless over the top bits, they don't work. Fortunately, all the pins came out semi alright. None of them were too tough. Give a nice clean up. I've no intention of selling the car yet. So there's a good chance I'll have to do the pads again, and I'll be thanking myself later for doing this. Just some grey Scotch-Brite. Get all the brake dust and corrosion off. There you are, before and after. Getting the old pads out were a bit tight. The amount of corrosion in there and stuff. Give it a good clean up. We've got these stainless steel toothbrushes that are the boy. So the brake pads that I went for are Endless ME22. So there's not a lot of difference between the ME20 and the ME22, but they say that the ME22 cools the disc more. Nice bit of brake grease on the pins, so they don't seize up in the future. Don't forget the retaining spring. Sits so nice. Pins all the way home. Jobs are good. The only problem with the Endless pads is they don't have a recess for the brake wear indicator. So that's getting cable tied up out the way so I don't have an annoying light on my dashboard. I only do 2,000 miles a year at most. So I'll be doing more maintenance on it than it will need pads. I can just keep an eye on them. On to the other side. Much the same really. This side the pad was a bit of a bastard to get out again, just because of the amount of build up on it. Just a pair of mole grips and the help of a decent screwdriver. Got them out, no bother. Likewise, give them a good clean up with our stainless steel toothbrushes, brake grease, send the new pads in. Send the pins home, obviously cleaning up the pins. Onto the rear. I will at some point do a video in the future if I ever get a stuck pin on how to get them out, because some of them can be bastard. Much the same, we recovered the brake wear sensor on these. The rears do have a recess, so the new ones went in with the brake wear sensor in the correct location. Give them a good clean up. Back, no idea what I'm saying there. I forgot that I was on time lapse. All the pins came out nicely, which is nice. Makes a nice change. Nice new shiny pads in. Send them home. Now on to replacing the braided brake lines. These came with the car. Not a lot to report really.
Obviously.
Obviously I dropped this spanner. All of the unions were this tight. These unions were fucking tight. I said that. That's that brake line in. I did have to replace the hose as well, or the pipe, as it was corroded and wouldn't come out nicely. Super duper brake fluid. There you go. Jobs are good. The brakes were fantastic. My talent, not so much.